Respected parents, my dear students and dear friends, in the CCA activities, now today we are organizing advertisement competition for classes 3rd to 5th, and now it's turn for the 5th standard. As you know, co-curricular activities are also equally important along with the curricular activities. Overall development of a child is very much important nowadays in different skills. So let's begin the activity for the 5th standard with Master Abhiraj Dore. Abhiraj,
सुप्रभात अध्यापक गण और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मेरा नाम अभिराज दौरे और आज मैं आपके सामने एक प्रचार पेश करने जा रहा हूँ। निगाहें निगाहों से मिलाकर तो देखो, नए लोगों से रिश्ता बनाकर तो देखो, हसरतें दिल में छुपाने से क्या हासिल होगा, खामोश अपने होठों को हिलाकर तो देखो, खामोशियों से कब होती हैं ख्वाहिशें पूरी, दिल की बात बताकर तो देखो, जो है दिल में उसे कर दो बयां, खुद को एक बार जताकर तो देखो, आसमां सिमट जाएगा आगोश में, चाहत की बाहें फैलाकर तो देखो, दिल की बात बताकर तो देखो। BSNL कनेक्टिंग पीपल, कनेक्टिंग इंडिया। धन्यवाद।
बहुत बढ़िया अभिराज, इससे बढ़िया बीएसएनएल का एडवर्टाइजमेंट इतना पोएट्रिक वे में नहीं हो सकता. रियली आई लाइक योर पोएम अभिराज ऑल्सो. कैन यू आफ्टर दिस इवेंट प्लीज गिव इट दिस पोएम टू मी? ओके अभिराज, very nice poem and very nice presented from your side. So now next participant is Ananya Singh. Ananya Singh.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Ananya Singh Rao. I'm studying class 5th A. My topic is on active mosquito killing machine. I'm here to launch a new product called active mosquito killing machine. Do you know why this called active? Because it is very fast. When more number of mosquitoes, it will work and kill all the mosquitoes in 1 minute. And when less number of mosquitoes, it will work and kill all the mosquitoes in 30 seconds. It spread the smell, and when smell reach to the mosquito will die. When more number of mosquitoes, put it in the high mode, and when low number of mosquitoes, put it in the low mode. I hope you will understand how this machine works. Its rate is only 200 rupees, and it has a special offer called Diwali special offer. The offer is buy 2 get 1 free. You can buy this machine online on www.activemosquitoeskillingmachine.com, and it is easily available in shops in our city. You can buy this machine on every shop in our city, and it is made in India and a good quality product. Thank you and have a nice day.
बहुत बढ़िया अनन्या. Really what a nice presentation from your side towards a coil machine for mosquitoes. You know, mosquitoes creates a lot of disease, kids, and nowadays as we are going through a very difficult time, you know, in the history we can say, when we are suffering from day by day from the different kind of disease which are very deadly. So preventing ourselves is our duty. Okay, thank you Ananya Singh. Now moving towards the next participant is Deshna. Deshna from class 5th.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you please turn on your camera? Your camera is off, beta. Yes, now, Deshna, you can start.
नमस्कार, मैं देशना कक्षा 5वीं की छात्रा आज आप सबके सामने एक ऐड प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ. एनीवेज, एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, बड़ा मजा आने वाला है. आपको 9th स्टैंडर्ड में कितने मार्क्स मिले थे? नहीं याद? चलो कॉलेज में. बाप रे, वो भी नहीं याद. मुझे तो सिर्फ 59% ही मिले थे. फिर भी मैं आज आपके बच्चे के स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल हूँ. ऐसा कोई रिपोर्ट कार्ड आज तक नहीं बना जो बच्चे की काबिलियत बता सके. रिपोर्ट कार्ड बताते हैं तो बस वो है कुछ नंबर जो वैसे भी किसी को याद नहीं रहने वाले. मार्क्स छोड़िए और सीखने पे ध्यान दीजिए. ऐसी ही एक नई सोच के साथ बनाए नया बॉर्नवीटा बादाम बूस्टर असली बादामों के साथ. तो सारे बच्चे इसे रोजाना दूध में मिला के पीजिए और अपनी काबिलियत साबित कीजिए. धन्यवाद.
बहुत बढ़िया देशना, रियली बहुत बढ़िया प्रेजेंटेशन बेटा. And the most important part, you know, kids, what she told, marks छोड़िए, सीखने पे ध्यान दीजिए. You know, marks are just a replica of what you are learning. Marks is not everything. Sometimes it happens that good and bright students are also getting less marks, but it doesn't means that they are not capable. They are very much capable. So हमें फोकस करना है सीखने पे, नॉट ओनली ऑन द मार्क्स, वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन लर्निंग. सो कीप लर्निंग किड्स with this. Okay, thank you Deshna, what a wonderful presentation. Now we are moving towards the next participant, that is Ashi Rai for class 5th B. Ashi, unmute yourself.
I know what.
Ashi, you can start beta, I can hear your voice, but just unmute your mic. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ashura. I am from 5th B. Should I start my advertisement, sir?
Beta, you can start.
I know what you're thinking. दिवाली है, गिफ्ट चाहिए. क्या गिफ्ट दे? नहीं समझ में आ रहा. तो तुम बिल्कुल सही चीज देख रहे हो. ये चीज आपको अपडेट रखती है, एंटरटेन करती है और आपके दोस्तों को आपके पास लाती है. जी हाँ, बिल्कुल. मैं बात कर रही हूँ Mi 11X की. है ना क्लासी? इसके ब्यूटीफुल लुक के साथ आपको इसका लाइट वेट भी पसंद आएगा. और इसके टेक्निकल फीचर्स के तो क्या ही कहने. इसकी कैमरा क्वालिटी बेस्ट है, 5G है और स्टोरेज इसकी 8GB रैम है. आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये बहुत कॉस्टली है, लेकिन ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. ये सिर्फ 10,000 का है, लेकिन अगर आप नीचे दिए गए लिंक पे तुरंत क्लिक करते हैं तो आपको ये 10,000 की जगह 9,000 में मिलता है. तो देरी किस बात की, जल्दी से लिंक पे क्लिक करिए और अपना प्रोडक्ट बाय करिए. थैंक यू सर, हैव अ नाइस डे.
Very good, Ashi. What you are doing here, Ashi? Huh? You can go and present yourself as a, you know, executives. You are having the skills. Very, really nice presentation, Ashi. And you know what? Today, now, as on date, mobiles become very important part of our life. Really important. Important than our relatives also, if you can say. So, and particularly getting a good mobile, finding a good mobile is really difficult. And when salesmen or saleswomen like you will express these kind of things, people will definitely go and purchase. Okay, Rashi. Now moving towards the next, that is Anshika Vashishtha. Anshika, are you ready, beta?
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible, and I can see also. You can start, Anshika.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sanchika Vasis from 5th B. Today I am presenting an ad named Herbal Immunity Booster. I am going to office. Now I am coming from office. Why I am sick even after taking all precautions? Here, this is the solution to all of your problems. Due to pandemic environment, by using mask and sanitizer, we are not able to protect ourselves for much longer. We have to improve our immunity system. This is my new product, Herbal Immunity Booster. It is a pure herbal product, useful for everyone. It contains herbal ingredients like tulsi, amla, honey, ginger, turmeric, giloy, and black pepper. No added artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. Drink it every morning. Mix 1 tablespoon in a glass of lukewarm water. If you drink this herbal immunity booster, you will stay safe from any viral or bacterial diseases. Variety of pens are easily available at every grocery and medical shops. You can buy it also
from our online stores. Diwali offers have started. Hurry up! Don't be late. This offers will end soon. Thanks, Immunity Booster. After using the product, my immunity is also increased in this pandemic condition. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा अंशिका, what an energetic and marvelous performance given by you beta, and especially the immunity booster. Okay, you know what, nowadays after just before 5 years, if anybody asks you what is a immunity booster, nobody knows, because of these kind of deadly disease such as corona and all. Now these kind of products came in the market, and the most important reason is, you know what is the most important reason is, because we are moving towards the fast food and all, so we are not getting the supplements complements which we should get from our food. Now we are not eating the healthy food. That is the basic reason that why our immunity is getting low day by day. Okay, so we have to increase the good quality of food in our daily routine, the food which has the good nutrition values. Okay, so that we do not require such kind of supplements in our body. Thank you, Anshika. Really a great performance by you, beta. And the last performer for the day is Arshika Sharma from class 5B. Arshika, can you speak a little louder, beta? Your voice is coming a little low.
नाम अर्शिका शर्मा है। मैं कक्षा 5 में पढ़ती हूँ। कोरोना महामारी ने हमारे देश की अर्थव्यवस्था को बहुत नुकसान पहुँचाया है। एक देश का जिम्मेदार नागरिक होने के नाते हमारा फर्ज बनता है कि हमारे देश पर आई हुई हर विपदा के निवारण में अपना थोड़ा ही सही पर कुछ योगदान जरूर दे। इसी कड़ी में मैंने यह प्रण लिया है कि जब भी संभव होगा मैं स्वदेशी उत्पादों का ही इस्तेमाल करूंगी। उदाहरण के लिए ये पतंजलि का पेस्ट, हिमालय का फेस वॉश, पतंजलि का मुरब्बा और गोदरेज का साबुन। निवेदन है कि आप सब भी स्वदेशी उत्पादों का ही इस्तेमाल करेंगे, लालच और आकर्षक विज्ञापनों में न आकर विदेशी चीजें नहीं खरीदेंगे। एवं हमारे नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने भी बोला है कि इस दिवाली मेड इन इंडिया सामान खरीदें। धन्यवाद।
बहुत बढ़िया अर्शिका। Make in India is a great theme which is launched by our respected Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to prevent the financial transaction to going from our country to different countries. Okay, so we have to focus on those kind of things, especially the made in China material we need to avoid. Okay, now one very important announcement for the kids. Okay, madam. Divya Meena, beta. Divya Meena, if she is available in the meeting, she can join and she can perform her activity. Divya Meena, I think she is not there. Kids, one more important announcement is there. Your CCA dance competition. Your CCA dance competition will be held just after the vacations. Okay, this Diwali vacation. Just after that, we are having your CCA dance competition also. So get ready for your upcoming event and best of luck to each and every participant for the same. With this, I'm very thankful to you that you have presented really well. Your all the advertisement was really wonderful with a full of energy and very good. Okay, thank you so much, kids. With this, today we are finishing our activity for the day. Thank you, one and all. Thank you so much.